wat het my husband wilk trouge airport se hierdie witte hes its girlfriend, isn't a credit card it geven hem voor our anniversary trip. Bid wat hy didn't know was dat it bewaiting at Baga geclaim when he returned, witte divorce papers, a billionaire boyfriend, ante die toe everything het touget was is. But chose so met die Mr. Best vinger is vet at her tydhuis aan feet. Infilet ante moment it is toeverred my husband's betrayal started with a notification om my pone taat wild shange my liefe voorever. Lei, it was 7 am on a Tuesday, and I was in my silk pyjamas, sipping koffie in our penthouse kitchen overlooking Central Park. My husband Marcus had left en het bevore voor wat het told me was our business conference in Miami. Wat ben my riet voor 3 eiers and it hou het verweer happy. It hou het wrong. My pone besit with a credit card alert, purchase at Miami Beach Resort Spa 3,84750. My bloed ran cold. Thuis was een somme business hotel. Thuis was de exact resort weer Marcus had proposed to book our 3rd anniversary trip, te one had suddenly canceled last week, climbing work was to a krasai rigid nov. Bid hier is wat made my hartstop completely, te purchase was voor a couples site. Voor 2 people. And Marcus was supposed to be traveling alone. I grab het my laptop and log it into our joint credit card account, my hands trembling as I scroll it terug the recent charges. Victoria's Secret 847 Tiffany Choo 2,100 lapper la lingerie 623 spa couples massage 890 iat shargeveld like akniefe twisting deeper into my chest. Teseverend business at Princess. Tes was my husband living at Ipwitte Sumione Else, ising harmonie to romance another woman. Bid woe. Ik kel het te resort my foite stiade despite te risane raging insideme. Good morning, Thijs is machine calling about my husband's reservation. Marius Shen. I need to confirm the guest list for the site. Tiere was typing on the other end. Eis machine is the reservation. Me Marius Shen ant. Ms Isabella Rodriguez. Te check it in Eisterdai evening. Isabella Rodriguez is ex-girlfriend from collega. The woman had dated for 4 years before we met the woman he claimed was just a friend when she kept looking all his social media posts. I hang up ansat in our designer kitchen surrounded by the liefe it houget wat buil toegeter and felt something inside me break. Not just my heart, my illusions. But Jose suddenly everything made sense. Te late nuggets at te offite. Te meisterjous bone kals het take in te otterroom. Te wij het grovende stand over te past 5 months climbing stress from work. Marcus was in stressed about work. Hij was planning his escape route. Bid here is what Marcus didn't know about his loafing, trusting wife, I wasn't just so naive woman living off his money. I was Violet Chen, formerly Violet Blackwood, as in Blackwood Industries, the Dutch empire my father built and it been secretly running since his retirement. Marcus Tauget I was a pretty trop I wife would inherited some family money. Hij had no idea I was worth $400 million in my overricht, or dat every property Tauget, we overnet was actually minne purchased with my trust fund. Het zich net oprenip bid het nie verbotteret to read te fingerprint. And nov, hij was about to learn why dat was afrij at pensieve mistake. I pick it my bone and call it my assistant, Sarah. I need uit te boek met de presidential site at the Miami Beach Resort Spa. Toenig het. And call my lawaaier I need to se documents vir dis 6 months ago. Te divorce papers. Sarah as kindlei. All of them. It's time. How see it suspected Marcus was cheating for months. Call it woman's intention, call it noticing the signs, but it been preparing for this moment longer than ik neef. My lawaaier had been keitlei moving assets en sering everything was protected under my name. Marcus told it hy was bang clever but it been 3 steps ahead of him te entire team. By 2 I was on my private jet to Miami, wearing a stunning white sundress that cost more than most people's cars. My lawaaier Patricia Wells, the best divorce attorney on the East Coast, sat across from me reviewing the final paperwork. How sire how want to do this publicly, ze asket, herself vir haar perfectly style dispute te vlug het. We veld serve hem privately, avoid the spectacle. O, Patricia, I said, sipping champagne that cost $300 a bottle, weer is te vinden dat. I checked into the presidential site, 2 floors directly above where my cheating husband was staying with his ex-girlfriend, and began planning the most spectacular confrontation of my life. First, I chatted the resort's concierge. It likte toe arrange as surprise for guests in the Couples site 847. Marcus en Isabella Rodriguez. Wat kind of surprise, Miss Blackwood? Champagne and strawberries. The most expensive bottle hou haven. Wit note dat size compliments of our loving wiefe. Tere was a pause. Our wiefe. Trust me, teil understand. Ten imade a chalotad wild change everything. My pone rang twisse bevore a familiar voice answered. Violet. Thijs is in het bedit. Hallo, Alexander, I said, my voete warmer than it had been in a years. I was wondering if I mag het bevrije for dinner tonig het. I'm in Miami and I find myself nivlei single. Alexander Dimitri. Griek shipping magnate word rougelei $2 billion and the man it almost married before I met Marcus. Wat remainet friends, touw het made het clear het beïnterested in more if I ever become available. Well, I was about to be very available. I gaan be in Miami in 2 hours, Alexander said without hesitation. Sal te bring my lawaaier. Alria die handlet. Bid ou mag het want toe bring haar potograpper. Potograpper. Trust me, Alexander. Thijs is going to be a story word documenting. That evening, I positioned myself at the resort's most exclusive restaurant, the one with the floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking the beach, where every table was visible from the lobby. I wore address that probably cost more than Marcus made in a month, and diamonds that wild make Elizabeth Taylor yellows. Alexander arrivet looking like he had stepped off the cover of Forbes magazine tal distinguished, with a silver-streaked hair and the kind of confidence that comes from owning half the Mediterranean shipping routes. How look radiant, he said, kissing my cheek in that European white that made every woman in the restaurant turn to stare. Revinge sides how. I haven't gotten my revinge uit, I replied, chasking my watch. Bid Marcus held bekoming doven voor dinner aan 'n minuut of. Aanrecht und she the elevator doors open het. Confrontation setup, Marcus stepped out first, wearing the designer shirt it bought him for Christmas, looking relaxed and happy. Behind him charme Isabella, a petite brunette in a red dress that I recognized from the Victoria's Secret charge on our credit card. They were holding hands. Laching. Acting like a couple on their honeymoon. Weet, I suppose, they tauget te were. They walked past our table without noticing me at first, to wrap it up in their romantic bubble to pay attention to their surroundings. But then Marcus glanced over and did a double take that would have been comical if it weren't so satisfying. His face went trouge about 6 different emotions in 2 seconds, confusion, recognition, shock, fear, guilt, and finally panic. Via confrontation moment Violet, he said, his voete tracking like a teenagers. Wat are you doing here? Is my late serenelei taking a sip of wine that cost more per bottle than their entire dinner? Hallo, Marcus. Isabella. En nodig toe is my stres, wo hat net aan interestingssade of green. Hofsauer besines konferensie gwing. Marcus moet open het aan closet like a visse gasping voor eier. Isabella look het like se wanted to disappear into the floor. Tess isn't. Ik gaan etplein o please don't etplein om my account isait gestiering grasse verlei toe Alexander. Marcus Isabella etlike hou to meet Alexander Dimitri. Alexander Tess is my soon to be et husband and his companion. Alexander stoot aan etende his hand with het kind of European politenus staat some op manage to bebote gracieus aan iterlei dismissieve. Applausere. If a yard so much about our Marcus. Pover play escalation soon to be ets. Marcus stammeret, his dan already fading to siklei pale. Violet, wat are hou talking about? I reach it into my designer perse and pull it out a manila envelope, plotting a delicately on the table between is like I was surfing afternoon tea. Die forse papers is side conversationally. Patricia Wells dreef hem op. How remember Patricia, se handlette wording ton die forse last eier. Took him for 200 million. Marcus stared at the envelope like it magget explode. Hou gaan beserieus. O bitte am housie, weile hou weer jere plying house with Isabella, I had some very interesting conversations with my lovers about our prenuptial agreement. What about it, he asked, tauch is voite sig gestet he already knewe wasn't going to like te answer. Ook 4 minutes in wel, it turns out tere are some fascinating clauses in tere about adultery and misise of marital funds, is said, opening the envelope and pulling out the first document. For instance, dit ook knof that spending joint assets on extramarital affairs is considered grounds for forfeiture of spousal rights. Marcus fase went from pale to gry. Joint assets. Violet, most of our money is inherited, actually, that's where it gets interesting, I interrupted, pulling out another document. How see, Marcus, ou never actually read our financial disclosures vir hy kare verlei dit ou. I handed him a paper that made his knees buckle. Literally. Hy had to grab the back of a chair to stay upright. $400 million he whispered, staring at my net worth statement. That's impossible. Our trust fund was only, my trust fund was 50 million, I confirmed. The other 350 million. That's what I net running Blackwood Industries for the past 5 years. How knof weile uithou het I was just playing house wiefe. Major Revelation Financial Power te restaurant had gewone complete laikheid. Otter denners weer pretending not to watch weile op jou slei hanging on every word of the most expensive breakup in Miami beach history. Isabella wo had been silentes intiratime finale found her voice. Marcus outside se was just somer rich gerolwete dat hy's monie. I am somer rich gerolwete dat hy's monie, I corrected pleasantly. I'm also the CEO of a Fortune 500 company, the owner of 17 commercial properties, and the woman was about to make our boyfriend's life very expensive. Marcus looked like he was about to vomit. Violet please we can work this out, o were absolutely going to work this out, I agreed. Patricia has prepared a lovely settlement offer. Wilt ou like to hear it? Terms of destruction, a pull it out another document, but chose apparently it braucht en nou gepaperwork to start my own love firm. Let's see. According to the prenuptial agreement ou signet, adultery voids an a claim to marital property. Since the verreiting we of een toegeter is actually mine, te penthouse, te Hamptons house, te cars, even te credit cards ou verbeen ising, ou lo believing tes mariage witte exactly wat ou braucht into ete. Weet was? Hij loved the gree and about $12,000 in student loan debt. Tesselense dat voluit was so profound die veldhjerte wafes krassing unter beach outside. Bitweit, ik continu cheerfully teres more. Ook 5 minutes in, te credit cards ou verbeen ising voor thuis little romantiek getawai. Teere in my name wat hou as aan autoriset iser. Mississing Somione Else's credit for fraudulent purposes, sy funding aan afweer is actually a federal crime. Marcus fase wend from graai to green. Hou wildend. I wildend hafe toe Isabella sweetjaard ou migget want to check our of legal situation here. Knowing my participating in credit card fraud Marcus hou aan achisorai. Isabella wo had been looking in creating like panieke trouwhoudes conversation, suddenly stepped away from Marcus like hij was radioactieve. I didn't knof the cards während his side kijklei. Marcus told me was buying for everything. O Isabella, I said wat geneine pitei in my foite, ou realize hult have doene more research on our sugar dat de here. Allianse sift, Isabella realizes te trette, that's when I decided to twist the knife just a little deeper. Tell me, Isabella, wat het zacht leidet Marcus promise hou. Mariage. A lieve of lecturai. Let me guess, het told ouwe was weeltij succesvol, dat ek kultake kare of ou. Isabella se lense was answer en oog. Did I happen to mention that has been unemployed for the past 6 months? Nov if vrouwene look it confess it, including Marcus. Unemployed? Isabella whispered. O eis, I said, consulting another document from my apparently bottomless purse. Marcus was terminated from his law firm in December for performance issues. He's been living off my money and lying about going to work every day. Complete revelation of Marcus deception, te look of horror on Isabella's face was almost woorde te 3 eiers of mariage it was it on this man. Hij told me hij weer a partner at the firm, ze said, backing away from Marcus like het groven als ze kontiat. I was going to be Marcus said weeklei. It was just a temporary setback, a temporary setback. I lag het, and it wasn't a neat sound. Marcus ou weer verred voor stealing client funds. There is an ethics investigation pending. Dit ou not mention that to our girlfriend here. Isabella look it like she was about to try. Or run possibly bote. I think she said carefully is hult probably goed. Probably wisse I agreed. Te sitle to the airport runs everuit her 10 minutes. Ook 6 minutes in, as Isabella practically sprinted toward the elevator, Marcus net back to me with the desperation in his eyes. Violet please. I made a mistake. I was confessed gewoon trouw gesometing, ou weer gewoon trouw our bank account, I corrected. But don't worry, Marcus. I'm not completely heartless. His face lit up with hope. Poor stupid man. If I arrang it for out to keep anything from our mariage, I continued. Wat? I reached into my purse one final time and pulled out a singlik jy on a plastic keychain. The storage in it in geens weer ou kept our love school textbooks. Te hope dit in his ears like a fantle bang sniff it out. Everything else, the penthouse, the cars, the art collection, the house in the Hamptons, belongs to me. It always did. How very just living in my world, and nov our visitors pass has been revoked. Final pover move, Alexander, who had been watching this entire performance with the obvious admiration, leaned forward and planted his hand over mine. Violet, darling, shall we yet to dinner? I have a table reserved at Nobi. That sounds perfect, I said, standing and smoothing my dress. Marius, the papers are already filled. Patricia will be in touch about Titi Melina. As we started to walk away, Marcus followed out on a last time. Violet. What about the credit cards? The resort charges. Internet bakvit asmile dat kult halve poverete en tire Miami electrical grid. O, toe is het charges. In disputing efrei single one as fraudulent. Halve van het planning to hotel security wij ook kan bij our billele. De partiere aan consequences, Alexander and is swept out of the restaurant liquor royalty liafing court, liafing Marcus standing alone among the reins of his elaborate deception. As we walke trouwge te lobby, I felt hier hotel security bank hulle to the restaurant. Apparently, Marcus was about to have a very educational conversation about unpaid bills and cancelled credit cards. That was magnificent, Alexander said as we stepped into his waiting limousine. Raymond maneuver to cross-how. O, Alexander, I said, settling into the later sheets, how haven't seen aanuiting uit. Ook 8-7 minutes in, 3 hours later, we weer dinning at the most exclusive restaurant in Miami Beach, weer Alexander had surpriset me witte someting dat made my revinge on Marcus lokelike schulds bly. I have a confession, he said over dessert, a chocolate soufflé dat probably toast more than most people's grocery budget. O, I my have made a 5 bone kals wyle hou weer destroying our husband's life. What kind of Charles? Alexander Smollett antere was someting distinctly predatory about it. Well, it turns out Marcus' love firm was very interested to learn about his creative use of credit cards. Especially since he has been claiming to be employed here for the past 6 months. I reised an eyebrow. And antere feeling additional ethics violations tomorrow morning. Something about misrepresenting employment status and potential client fraud. Escalating consequences, tears more, Alexander continued, clearly enjoying himself. He also spoke to a friend of mine who works in federal law enforcement. The credit card fraud angle ou mentioned. Teere very interested in that too. Alexander is said geneinelei impressed, aure almost as ritless as he am. Almost. He pretended to look wounded. Veel late in meest getting started. He pulled out his bone and so wet me a series of photos that made my jaw drop. My security team has been documenting Marcus' activities over the past 5 days. Hotel staff are very chat they went out up well. The photos so wet Marcus and Isabella in various compromising positions around the resort, by the pool, in the spa, at romantic dinners. Ultime stamped, al clearly showing him using my credit cards. Federal prosecutors love visual evidence, Alexander noted casually. Complete distraction setup, but here is my favorite part, he continued, sweeping to another photo. Tis one so wet Marcus at the resort's casino, apparently charging gambling losses to our joint credit card account. Gambling debts charged to someone else's credit. That's not just fraud, Violet. That's organized financial crime. The kind that comes with a mandatory minimum sentences. I stared at the photos, realizing that Marcus had dug himself a hole so deep had niet archaeological equipment to climb out. Of dit ook het altes. I asket. Monie talks, Alexander said simply. And when nou have en nou gofet, Monie sings entire operas. Ook 9-8 minutes in, the next morning, I was lounging by the pool in my presidential site, sipping mimosas and reading the Miami Herald, when my phone rang. Machine. This is Detective Rodriguez with the Miami-Dade Police Department. We have our husband in case today. In case today. Wat te ver voor? Credit card fraud, identity theft, and illegal gambling transactions. We're also looking at potential federal charges. En manage to sound appropriately socket. Officer, I had no idea. I've been trying to reach him all morning. Maar we're going to need out to come and make a statement about the inauthorized use of our credit cards. Of kouze, officer. Ilo bericht tere. Justice bank servet 2 hours later, was sitting in Apolite station, wearing a conservative black dress aantekend of inderstaat het jy wil ry dat skream het, respectable Wieltij Wiedhoff, geving my statement to detective Rodriguez. So ou had no knowledge of our husband's activities in Miami se asket. Noone whatsoever, said, dabbing at my ears with a tissue. It was at Abyssinia's conference. When the charges on our account, was so confessed. The detective was very sympathetic. Apparently, Wieltij women buying vestimizet by their cheating husbands was more common than it realized. Machine gefente extent of the fraud and the amount involved were recommending federal charges. Our husband is looking at 5 to 10 years. 5 to 10 years. En manage to look appropriately socket. For using credit cards. For systematic financial fraud, ma'am. The gambling alone constitutes organized crime activity. Consciences multiplying, as he left the police station, my pone besit with a tate from Marcus, Violet, please help me. There is saying felt goed to prison. Il do aanheiting. So weet de message to Alexander, who was waiting in Telimo. Are hou going to respond, asked. O absolutely, said, typing geiklei. My response was simple, aus hult have touget about dat before aus stole from me. En jy prison voet. Hy oorloving wiefe ten blocket his number. Ook 10:09 minutes in 6 months later, I was sitting in my penthouse, no vrede kurate to remove every trace of Marcus' existence, when Patricia challet with the final update. Marcus took a plea deal, se site. 3 years in federal prison, full restitution of the stolen funds, and permanent forfeiture of any claim to our assets. Anti-Sabela. Testified against him in exchange for immunity. Apparently, she had no idea about the extent of his fraud. Poor girl, said, anti-actually meant it she was as much a victim as anyone. There is one more thing, Patricia added. Marcus wants to write our letter. Absolutely not. He claims he wants to apologete. He can apologete to his shalmate. Final twist building, dat evening, Alexander and Ivere having dinner at our favorite restaurant, Ice, tesame one weer het confronted Marcus, when hy surprise me witte someting in nevers afkoming. Violet, he said, getting doven on one knie in front of the entire restaurant, ek knoftes miggetseem sitting bid watching ou destroy our shieting husband was the setjes thing if ever witness it. The entire restaurant went quiet, just like it had 6 months ago during my confrontation with the Marcus. Wilhelm Reime. Alexander Asket producing a ring that probably cost more than Marcus entire net worth. Romantisch resolution, as he look at this brilliant, redless, incredibly Wieltij man who appreciated my particular brand of justice, I realized something profound. Marcus had doen met the greatest favor of my liefde by cheating on me. Ice, said, luid in nou gevoor vrouwen 2 jaar. Bid him keeping my prenne plaweer on speeddele. Alexander laag het as hy slippe te ring onto my vinger a 15 karat diamant dat kaget te ligget like as smalsin. Wildend have het aan hy otterwaai, he said. Final revelation and twist, bid here is the twist that even Alexander 1000 knov uit. 6 months ago, when I first suspected Marcus was cheating, I didn't just here a divorce laweer. I read a private investigator to follow him. Wat I discovered het was that Marcus wasn't just cheating with the Isabella. He was running a systematic congame, targeting Wieltij women, marrying them, and slowly draining their accounts before the disappearing. Isabella wasn't his girlfriend. She was his nichtmark. Ante business conferences had been talking. Had been traveling around the country, setting up fake identities and courting other Wieltij women trouwgedating apps. TFB is currently investigating at least its other cases of Marcus Maria gefraud across 4 states. He wasn't just a cheating husband, he was a serial con artist. Shocking final revelation, which means that if writing it to him, the public humiliation, the financial destruction, the federal charges wasn't refinge. It was justice. And sometimes the universe has a funny way of putting the right person in the right place at exactly the right time to stop a predator in his tracks. Moral victory and closure today in Blackwood Industries openly, no longer reading messages behind the facade of buying a trophy wife. Alexander anti-are planning a wedding that will probably cost more than most people's houses, and if started a foundation that helps women stop financial abuse. Marius. His serving his 3 years in federal prison, weer jaar te voet is terrible and the company is worse. Isabella. She testified against him and disappeared back to her normal life, hopefully wiser about men who promise to a match to a kijklei. And me. Leer net dat sometimes the best refinge isn't just getting even. Sometimes it's making sure the person who hurt ou kan nie verhurt anyone else again. The moral of the story isn't about money or power or even refinge. It's about knowing our woorde and never letting anyone make ou feel smaller than ou are. Marius sal me as a pretty accessory to his kon game. He never bothered to look deeper to see it still beneath the silk. Is losbekame my liberation. And now, every time I sit at that table where I confronted him, I remembered the woman who was strong enough to walk away from Ali and smart enough to build something real. That woman was always there. She was just waiting for the right moment to solve the world what she was capable of. Sometimes that moment comes when ou charge our husband cheating. And sometimes that's exactly when our real life begins. The shocking revelation that Marcus wasn't just a cheating husband but a serial con artist running Maria gefraud schemes across multiple states, making Violet's actions not refinge but justice that stopped a predator from victimizing other women.